Just check out this, guys. How to cancel to home internet. What does it say? To cancel your to home internet in the UAE, here are the most reliable and up-to-date methods. The first is through the Do app or website. You can cancel online. The step is log into your Do app or Do website, then go to My Plans, Home Plan, locate your home internet plan and tap the three-dot menu and choose Manage, Cancel My Current Plan or Cancel Service. Follow the prompts and submit your cancellation. The next option is call to customer service IVR and the number is 155 or +971 555 678 Navigate IVR and then connect to a customer service associate and then ask them to cancel your service that you are getting now. And the next is submit a cancellation form. Grab the official to home services cancellation form, fill out and sign it and just send it to the email ID that is provided here, and then do a follow-up for the confirmation that your plan or the service that you are taking has been successfully cancelled. Okay, so this is the way following which you can just cancel the active to connection that we have right now. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.